55 Chevy 210. A small block in there. Good wood brakes. Oh, 3-stroker with a 400 crank with a 350 block engine. Bore, I meant to say. Aluminum radiator. 325, 9-inch posi traction, 4-speed, turbo 400, very good transmission for that. That's a popular, strong transmission. Here's your inside. It's got like velour. That looks nice. Nice gray. Here you can find the filler caps right there. Being 56, 57, they went under that thing. They opened up the tail light. It was just to confuse everybody at the gas station when that first came out. Where's the filler cap? Cool, huh?